this one will be my bool, because this is super generic. You can use the greater than sign to check if two numbers are greater than each other or not. And I'll print that out. And I'll just comment out that previous one, so we keep this sort of clean. Okay, so 5 is greater than 3. No surprise there. We can also do, if we can do greater than, we can also do less than. It's great. And 5 is not less than 3. There are a few more operations that we can go through. There's checking if things are equal to each other. Say, if 1,000, or 1,000 is equal to 1,000. This one is a little bit different than you expect it to be, because if you're checking for equals, you would expect it to be just one equal sign. But in programming, we use single equal signs a lot. So someone decided someday to make checking if things are equal to be two equal signs next to each other. And that's what it looks like. So 1,000 is equal to 1,000. Great. Now, if you've studied any of this stuff in school, you also know that there are greater than equal signs. If you want to do greater than or equal, you just like you say it, use the greater than and then the equal sign. Run that, and it should also be true. There we go. And of course, less than equal. False. Yep. So that is basic Boolean operations with numbers. And the only other basic Boolean operation that you're going to be using is for strings. And the only thing we basically do with strings is check if they're equal to each other. And that looks just like it does with numbers. We'll say if cat is equal to the string cat. Now, when we're using these, we won't always be just typing in the numbers that we're checking, because we can obviously tell. What we'll be doing is we'll be checking if variables are equal to each other, or if they're greater than or less than, and guiding our program based on the result of that. And even combining Booleans, which I will cover in the next little mini section.